Before content to clients, I was creating content, but it felt kind of messy. And I had bought the pot of gold, but I wasn't using it. So I really wanted help with strategy and organization. I'm Gabrielle, and I help mission driven entrepreneurs uncover their core stories so their brands have clear, solid, beautifully aligned foundations. A major takeaway for me was Karanda's explanation of belief mapping. I never considered or heard of that concept before. And it was so helpful for me in thinking about the different beliefs that I can address in my content. And it's definitely something that I'm now aware of and planning as I create content moving forward. And related to that, she showed us this really cool tool called Miro and how you can use that to visually map out your beliefs and anything else you might want to map out. I found that really helpful, and I'm looking forward to using that in my business moving forward too. The workshop really brought the pot of gold to life for me. I started using it immediately afterward, and I think of it as intuitive, as customizable, and I see it as this valuable and strategic tool in my business. I'm really excited about it, and I know that it's all thanks to being at the workshop. Karanda has a really helpful way of explaining how to use your content to best serve your clients and attract the best clients to you. The workshops have a really chill vibe, and they're also very manageable. So if you're considering it, I would say go for it.